Napodi. I am an alumni of VSB Engineering College, Karur. I secured 8th rank in the university examinations. I belong to ECE 2011 batch, and I was able to secure this university rank just because of my faculty members and the college management. Thank you so much. I attribute all this to the faculty and VSB Engineering College. Thank you very much.
I am Nitish Kumar R from VSB Engineering College, studying in Department of Computer Science Engineering. I got placed in 11 companies: DXC, Cognizant, TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, Quest Global, Embeddure, Virtusa, Zogo, Tech Mahindra, and Exavar. Out of these, I got 3 dream offer companies of package 7.5 and 7 lakhs.
Hi, I am Subhatra, studying final year EC department. I got placed in 9 companies: TCS, Cognizant, Capgemini, Wipro, DXC, Tech Mahindra, IBM, Mphasis and Hexavar with higher salary package of 7.5 lakh per annum thanks to VSB Engineering College.
Hi, this is VC Navina, pursuing final year in EC department. I got placed in 4 companies: DXC, CTS, Capgemini and Wipro. Thanks for VSB.
Hi, I'm Haripriya, studying final year in the Department of Biotechnology in VSB Engineering College, Karur. I got placed in some 4 companies like DXC Technologies, Cognizant, TCS and Wipro with 4 lakh per annum package thanks to VSB Engineering College.
Hi, I'm Ravina, studying final year in Biomedical Department. I got placed in 4 companies: DXC Technology, CTS, TCS and Wipro with a package of 4 lakh per annum thanks to VSB Engineering College.
என்னோட பேரு சௌபர்ணிகா சௌந்தரராஜன். நான் விஎஸ்பி இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜில் பிஇ ட்ரிபிள் 2019 கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டேன். டெசான் செமிகண்டக்டர்ஸ் அப்படிங்கிற கம்பெனியில் பிளேஸ் ஆனேன். இன்னைக்கு நான் ஜெர்மனியில் ஒர்க் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கேன். என்னோட மந்த்லி இன்கம் மோர் தென் 1.5 lakhs. ஸோ ஐ எம் வெரி ஹாப்பி ஃபார் தேட். என்னோட கெரியரில் பேஸ்மெண்ட் செட் பண்ணி கொடுத்தது விஎஸ்பி இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜ் தான். ஸோ விஎஸ்பி இன்ஜினியரிங் காலேஜுக்கு நன்றி.
Hi, I'm Dharni, studying final year CSE. I got placed in 8 companies: DXC, Infosys, Wipro, Capgemini, CTS, TCS, Hexavar and IBM with salary of 7 lakhs per annum thanks to VSB Engineering College.
Hi, I am Devina. I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Engineering in VSB Engineering College, Karur in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering. I got placed in 4 companies: TCS, Capgemini, Cognizant and Wipro with 4 lakh package thanks for VSB Engineering College.
Hi, I'm Suja. I'm from final year civil department. I got placed in 4 companies: DXC, CTS, TCS, Wipro with a 4 lakh salary package per annum thanks to VSB Engineering College.
I'm Gokul MK, studying final year IT. I got placed in 5 companies: IBM, TCS, Cognizant, Wipro and DXC Technology with salary package of 6 lakhs per annum thanks to VSB Engineering College.
Hi, I am Sridhar. I am pursuing final year EEE and I got placed in top 5 MNCs, namely DXC Technologies, Cognizant, TCS, Wipro and Capgemini with the highest salary package of 5 lakhs per annum thanks to VSB.
I am Ariban, currently pursuing final year mechanical engineering at VSB Engineering College. I got placed in 4 companies: DXC, Cognizant, TCS and Quest Global with a higher salary package of 4.5 lakhs per annum.
I'm Radhika, studying final year of EC department in VSB Engineering College. In 12th standard, I got 197.75 engineering cutoff. At the time, I searched many engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu. But I came to know about VSB Engineering College have good results, good placements, good infrastructure. Even though there are many universities, many government colleges are in Tamil Nadu, but I prefer VSB Engineering College as my choice. Thanks to VSB.
Hi everyone, I am Arun Kumar, studying final year CSE in VSB Engineering College. I got placed in 8 companies:
DXC, TCS, Cognizant, Wipro, Capgemini, Quest Global, Hexaware and Zoho with a package of 7 lakhs per annum thanks to VSB Engineering College.
I am Yash Shakti. I am from final year chemical engineering. I got placed in 3 companies, DXC Technology, Wipro and TCS with 4 lakh per annum thanks to VSB institutions.
Hi, I am Nitya doing final year CSE. I got placed in 5 companies, CTS, DXC, Wipro, Capgemini and TCS with salary package 7 lakhs per annum thanks to VSB Engineering College.
I am Balaraman. I am currently studying final year mechanical. Now I got placed in 4 MNC companies. They are DXC Technology, Cognizant, TCS and Wipro with a good salary package of 4 lakh per annum.
Hi, I am Nilamali studying 3rd year BTech Information Technology in VSB Engineering College. I am very happy to say that we are having 200 plus faculties in our college. Among them 40 plus are doctorates. They help us to concentrate in Smart India Hackathon and various R&D projects thanks to VSB Engineering College.
Hi, I'm Nisha Kar, pursuing final in EC department. I got placed in 9 companies, Cognizant, DXC, TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, Hashtag, IBM, Atos and Rentley with a high salary package of 7.5 lakh per annum thanks to VSB Engineering College.
Hi, I'm Monica studying in final year biomedical department. I got placed in 4 companies, DXC Technology, TCS, CTS and Wipro with a package of 4 lakhs per annum thanks to the VSB Engineering College.
Hi, I'm Sudhar studying final year CSE. I got placed in 5 companies, DXC, CTS, TCS, Capgemini and Rentley with a salary of 8 lakhs per annum thanks to VSB Engineering College.
Doing my final year in the stream of computer science engineering. I have got placed in 4 companies, DXC, Wipro, Capgemini, CTS with a salary pack of 7 lakh per annum thanks to VSB Engineering College.
I am Nitish Kumar from final year mechanical. I got placed in 3 companies, TCS, Cognizant and Wipro with a salary of 4 lakh per annum thanks to VSB Engineering College.
Hi, I'm Ilavarisi, currently pursuing final year ECE. I have got placed in 7 companies, Cognizant, Wipro, DXC, TCS, IBM, Atos and Hashtag with highest salary package of 7.5 lakh per annum thanks to VSB.
I'm Shankar Madhavan of final year civil department. I got placed in 4 companies, Cognizant, TCS, DXC Technology and Wipro with a high salary package of 4 lakhs per annum.
I am Radhika studying final year in AC department. I got placed in 6 companies, Car Technologies, DXC Technologies, Wipro, Capgemini, TCS and Tech Mahindra with 6.5 lakh per annum thanks to VSB Engineering College.